What's up, squidgy slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel. And we're going to continue our Build a Business series, and today's topic is going to be add-on services. So stay tuned. So yes indeed folks, today we're going to be talking about add-on services. So whether you're just starting up a brand new window cleaning company or you already have a quite well established window cleaning customer base, we're going to be talking about add-on services, extra things you can do to produce that little bit more income for your company. So let's get into it. Now, one of the first things you can be doing is gutter cleaning. Now, gutter cleaning is relatively simple and straightforward, and to begin with, you don't need very much at all. All you need is a good bucket, pair of gloves, and maybe some ladders, a way of getting to those gutters, and you could be potentially doubling the income you make on a job. So potentially you could be there cleaning the windows and your customer may ask you to clean the gutters, or you could obviously offer that service, and there you go. You don't need to go searching for more customers. You've got an extra add-on service right there while you're cleaning the windows. So gutter cleaning is a great thing to add on to your business. And if gutter cleaning really takes off for you and you find that you're getting more and more requests to do it, you can then invest in equipment such as gutter vacs and such like, which are basically look like giant hoovers with extension poles, and it'll save you having to try and go up ladders and things like that. So it's a lot safer option as well. So keep that in mind. One of the other things you can be doing is conservatory roof cleaning. Now, especially here in the UK, a lot of houses seem to have conservatories, and therefore they have conservatory roofs, and often they get quite dirty, especially the white PVC ones. They tend to look quite disgusting if they've been left for quite a while. So if you're there cleaning the windows anyway and you notice their conservatory roof could do with a clean, why not offer it to them? Say to them you've got the equipment already to clean their conservatory roof, and would they like it done? And again, you could be doubling or tripling what you make on that job if you were just going to be doing the windows alone. So conservatory roof cleaning, again, it's something that's nice and easy to get into. You can do it with traditional tools or water-fed tools, and it's relatively easy to do as long as you buy the right products to try and cut through that dirt. And we'll maybe leave some suggestions in the description below to some really good things like PVC cleaners and things to help you clean those conservatory roofs. But that's a great additional service that you could be doing. Now, another service you could be offering is roof cleaning and scraping. So a lot of roofs do tend to get quite covered in things like moss and leaves and all sorts of stuff, which then in turn can block the gutters. So you could be offering to your customers to clean their roofs, which obviously from a sales point of view, you could say to them, this is going to obviously protect their gutters from getting chock-a-block and also from getting water coming into the building as well, which I have seen in the past. So roof cleaning might be an additional thing that you want to do in conjunction with gutter cleaning. So that's another service that you could be offering, is the roof cleaning. Now, one of the other ones that's quite popular is soft washing or external cleaning. So if perhaps you notice that your potential customers or existing customers, the actual face of their building looks a little bit in need of a dire clean, then again, if you notice these things, you can suggest them to your existing customers and say, well, you know, I've noticed it's looking a little bit green here, or a bit dirty there. I've actually got the stuff to clean it with me, and I could give you a quotation now for you if you like. Or obviously, if you're just starting up a business, you can obviously look into these things. There's loads of YouTube videos on how to do soft washing and that kind of idea. So if that's something you're interested in, then it'd be a great additional service to add to your company. Another great thing about add-on services is that for any reason, if the window cleaning side of things starts to dry up a little bit, or whether it's just really bad weather, you can go and do these add-on services where you don't really need it to be beautiful sunshine to do. You can go and do things like gutter cleaning and conservatory roof cleaning anytime, really. So bear that in mind as well. It might be good to have a few of those jobs on the side just in case the weather turns bad. So if you're thinking about getting into any of these add-on services, what do you need to do? Well, one of the first things you need to do is think about the equipment that's needed. So a bit of research is going to be involved. Now, for some of these other basic things we mentioned earlier on, you've probably already got the equipment if you've got window cleaning products already. But for things like soft washing and that, you might need to obviously look into purchasing a few more things. So it'd be good to take some notes, write down a list of things that you potentially might need and price up to make sure that it's affordable. Another good thing to do is utilize things like forums and Facebook groups. Talk to people that are already in the industry who already provide that service. Again, there's loads of really cool YouTube channels as well where people do pressure washing and gutter cleaning and all sorts of stuff. So you can potentially be watching their videos, learning how to do it and ask questions. So YouTube is another great place, as you're here right now, to learn about potentially add-on services for your business. And also, if you get stuck, you can phone your supplier. So for me personally, I use Window Cleaning Warehouse, and if I have any questions, quite often I will just give them a message or a call and just ask them. They're more than happy to help you out if you're looking to get into a different kind of add-on service. So there we go, folks. That's add-on services for you. Hopefully that's been useful to you. So just a quick recap. Thinking about getting into it, you've probably already got the tools if you're doing window cleaning already, so why not offer it to your existing customers? And if you're new to window cleaning, you can potentially be adding that in before you even start. Tell them that you do windows and gutters and conservatory roof cleaning, etc. Remember to do your homework on these additional services. Make sure you've got everything you need before you start. The last thing you want to do is turn up to a job, agree to do something, an add-on service, and realize you're missing one of the major components to carry out the job. So remember and do your homework. And finally, utilize online resources, whether that's Facebook, YouTube, or also even calling up your supplier or emailing them to get as much information as you can before you start these additional services to make sure you're going to be doing it properly and with the right stuff. So hopefully that helps you out, folks. Just remember, keep in mind those additional services come in very handy, especially on the bad weather days. So thank you very much for watching, been much appreciated. You take care, and I'll see you in the next Build a Window Cleaning Business Series video. Take care, be good, and bye for now.